because she loves to wash. I'm gonna share the live real quick to my Facebook. Yeah, in the description. And also all my Twitch account, my YouTube, and TikTok, and Twitch. It's all on the description. All the links from the bio. Also Patreon. This river, let me zoom out real quick. And then it goes bridge, and then it goes all the way over there. It's a pretty long river. Recently when this flooded, right there, it broke. Everything broke off. This broke right here. Wait, let me zoom. All this broke right here. There used to be a path walk down through here, but it broke. So they had to make it over here. They made it over there now. And they made it over there, so now we have to get out through over here. And yeah. People always come over here and they shower, they wash clothes, whatever. This river is like, it's like a big water source for the people here in the province. It's a big water source. A lot of people in the provinces, they don't have access to the city water, and they come here, they shower, or they get water from the river. Shit. This bug is trying to kill me. They get water from the river, and then they take it to their homes and they use it to flush the bathroom or wash over there and stuff like that. And over here they have like a water hose that's right there. Someone's taking a shower there. Sometimes they use that water source to take a shower. And yeah, I always help my wife wash clothes, but today she only brought a couple, but she didn't bring like the whole basket, you know. She would have brought the whole basket, then, you know, yeah, I'll be out there helping her. Y'all want to look at the people around here? Check out the environment. Someone taking a shower right there. And then over there looks like they're picking up rocks over there on the right side.